Yo, you know what the main reason why 90% plus people be failing in digital marketing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, making money online? You would think it's because they probably just lazy, or you would think they just got a horrible mindset. You would think, all that type of stuff like that. But you know what the number one reason, in my experience, and I've been doing this over 7 years now, I've made well over $1 million. I've helped over 1,400 people. And the most number one thing that I've seen that people don't become successful in this industry is the tech, the freaking tech, right? And I get it, right? I used to be bamboozled. I'm like, yo, I'm giving them everything. I'm showing them how to do it. I'm setting it up or whatever. But some people, not some, but most people can't really just do the tech, right? They just can't do that. And I got the thinking in my mind, like that's why some people they just take their car to a mechanic. We can all probably learn how to fix our own cars and save money and just do it ourselves. But there are some people, even like myself, I'm a guy, but I can't change the oil. I never learned. I've tried to do it myself. I got the book. I watch YouTube videos, and I'm just not good at it. I'm not a mechanic. It's not in me. I don't have a mechanical bone in my body, right? When it comes to construction, right? I envy the men that are good with their hands and good with tools and know how. I don't know how to use that freaking leveler. You know what I mean? I don't know how to find a stud. I had to pay somebody to come to mount all of my TVs. I couldn't do it, right? So I got it. And just one day I just had this light bulb, like, these people are so smart, these people are so motivated, but they quit during the setup process, the tech part. So that's why, guys, I've created this free digital product store. All right, it's gonna remove all of that from you. All right, you won't have to build it. I mean, there's so little tech. Like I made it to literally a 2-year-old could do this because all you have to do is click a button. It's already pre-made and done for you. It's already set up, right? You have your landing page, you have your emails, uh, you got your thank you page, your checkout page, all of that stuff and building it and setting up and all of that stuff is done, right? I don't know any other way to make it that much easier. There's just some things we can't do, right? I can't throw it into your account, right? Um, whatever account you have. But we use System.io. And the reason I chose that because it's one of the most simplest funnel building softwares to sell digital products and services on that that just crushes the game for everybody. And the prices are super affordable. So people just starting out, they don't have a lot of money, right? So I put all of that into this plan. Anyway, all you literally do, right? You click a button and then the entire store comes into your account. It's already going to be built. Isn't technology crazy? I know that sounds exaggerated, but I'm not exaggerating. You click boom and it goes into your account and you'll see it. And you can click on the pages and see everything is done, right? Everything is done for you. But here's the catch, right? I made this super easier for you, right? So you ain't got to figure out the emails. You ain't got to figure out how to build it. You ain't got to learn about all the pages. You don't even need a product. I'm going to give you ready-made, proven selling products that's already been making me money and a lot of other people I'm helping. These are already tried and true and tested. Anybody can sell these. So if you're one of those people that are like, I don't know what I'm going to sell once I get the store and blah, 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 I'm going to give you products, all right? Not just any products. I'm going to give you some products that's actually making money. You don't have to test these out. You don't have to worry, right? They're making anybody money, all right? They just sell themselves, all right? I'm going to show you how to do all of that, right? And I'm going to make it so easy to where your digital product store can get imported into your account. But there's a couple of catches, all right? So what's the catch? I get it. We business, right? Here's the catch. One, you're gonna have to use the software I use. I can't cater to anybody and everybody out in the world. All right. So we use System.io. Okay. So if you want your free digital product store, you have to use that software because it's the stores we're building for you, we're building it with that software to make it to where you could just import it into your account. All right. So that's the first catch. Second, you have to use my affiliate link. I'm an affiliate for System.io. So in order for this to be free, to where if you go and Google somebody built this from you from scratch, you're going to look online, it's going to cost you hundreds, I'm talking about in the high hundreds to thousands of dollars, depending on how advanced you're going to take your funnel. And the funnels that I'm giving you, I actually use. I'm using the same exact ones, right, that are making me money. So nobody can say, yo, he just gave me anything. No, I use the same thing, right? I use the same funnel and it makes me hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. It converts, it turns visitors into buyers, into customers. And so, and in some cases, repeat customers. All right, you're gonna get the same exact one. So if you Google anybody who builds funnels, but they're just building the funnel, it's not tested. If you go find people that are gonna build you a proven funnel system that is making millions of dollars for other entrepreneurs, they're gonna tax your behind. I'm giving it to you, okay? And the only catch is you have to use my affiliate link because System.io pays me, which will make me able to give you these digital stores for free. So we all win, right? We all win. Third catch, I'm only doing this for 100 people. 100. 100. I want 100 go-getters, 100 action takers, 100 frustrated people that were like, if I could just get past the freaking tech, if I could get past the funnel part, get past all that jargon, that the domain and payment gateways, and if I could get past that to where I could just start selling it, I'll win in this game, but I haven't found anybody that can help me do that. This is your sign. This is what you need. All right. I'm even going to show you how to make the tweaks. Okay. Of course, there's going to be some things you're going to have to change, right? It's gonna be 99.99% done for you, but you have to make it your own. And we're gonna help you with that as well. So I'm not gonna be like, hey, it's done for you, everything's done for you, you can figure out the rest. No, even the little 0.1%, I'm gonna help you with that too. All right. But if you want that, you're gonna have to use System.io, use my affiliate link, and you're gonna have to upgrade to a paid plan. All right, so you can't do this stuff in the free account of System.io, which any paid plan in System.io starts at $17 a month. So you're basically getting $1 million funnel for $17. All right, but how can you beat that? $17 a month, and you can cancel, no questions asked, at any time with System.io. Right now, once you upgrade to at least a monthly plan, you're going to unlock the free digital store, right? But if you are serious and you upgrade even further to an annual plan of System.io, you're going to get all of these cool perks. And one of them being, you're going to get a one-on-one call with me personally. You pay for the whole year. Any annual plan, there's 3 annual plans, right? Any annual plan you get, you're going to get a one-on-one phone call with me. And even after your funnel is set up, I'm going to give you a strategy on how you can make some money with it. All right. So it's going to put you ahead of the pack. All right. So now you're going to have a funnel with a proven product that's going to make you money. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to start generating some income. All right. So whatever your transformation, whatever your desire that you're trying to accomplish, right? Whether it be to quit your job, to spend more time with your family, to pay off some debt, to to catch up on some bills. I don't know. I'm going to show you how to do that on our one-on-one call. Does that make sense? All right. I am super excited. Out of everything that I've created, you guys, everything that I've created, this is by far my favorite product. All right, one, I feel like I'm really able to give back. I feel blessed that I'm able to do this now. And two, this is I wasn't able to do this in the past, right? And now technology has advanced and my business has become, I've become successful enough in my business to where I can like really do some cool things like this. I have a team of people. It's not just me by myself. So they're going to be they help me help you set everything up. You really won't have to do much of anything as far as the tech, right? You won't have to do much of anything, right? You can relax and that's going to be set up for you and boom. All right. So what more do you want? What questions do you have? What do you need to know? If you need anything else, you're welcome to drop the comments down below this video, or you can just go to the website. All right, it's going to be down below this video in the description, or you can also check them out in the comments. I usually pin them in the comments. All right, but I don't know how else to make this more simple. So that being said, guys, I see you on the inside. Stay blessed. Let's go get the bag.